Welcome to Patmat Bookshop, Nakuru, the CBC Center. I'm Oyemba Isaac, the operations manager for the company. The sales this year round are very low. The sales and the turnout for customers, parents are very low compared to other years that we have been doing business. We attribute this to a few things. One, the times are hard, and secondly, the introduction of fees or the increment of fees. For example, day schools were very free. Now there is a new introduction that the parents will pay something. We also have the increment in fees for county and extra county and national schools. So we suppose that parents are trying to balance. Parents are trying to find out from the little disposable income that they have, what they can use or invest in the academics. But the turnout is low. Usually by 2nd of December, we have an influx of customers in the shop, both coming in for bookshops and those coming in for uniforms. Usually, for example, with the textbooks, the price is set by the government and the publisher. As a bookseller, because Patmat Bookshop are simply booksellers, are simply middlemen. As a bookseller, we have got very little. So when the government and the publishers come together, sit together, and they set the price, we are only given a percentage discount by the publisher. So what we do, what we have done as a company, what we have done as Patmat Bookshop is that we have reduced our profit margin. We have reduced our profit margin, which comes from the percentage given to us by the publisher, so that we continue serving our customers in a way that understands the hard economic times. We are seriously giving discounts and offers to our customers together with our celebration of 15 years in the business. So the only way we are helping customers is reducing the discount that is given to us by the publisher. So we share. If we're given 5% or 10%, we are giving customers 5%. We are even going an extra mile to do that in our uniform section. We will request that the government also becomes or gets serious. For example, if it is about uniforms, the government and all admission letters are allowing parents to buy uniforms from wherever. One, we have a problem with the shades. Two, we are engaging with customers whose students are supposed to join Cardinal Otunga Mosocho Boys High School, Wa High School in Mombasa. You can imagine that we in Nakuru, as Patmat Bookshop, stock uniform for Cardinal Otunga Mosocho Boys High School. It's not possible. Secondly, look at the shades. We have got shades for different colors. The Booksellers Association, while presenting their grievances to Professor Munavu's committee, the presidential task force, they talked about it. Because if we let students come to school with all the shades, then that will no longer be uniforms. But we believe the only way that we have a hope or better status in the industry in future is when also fortunes change for parents. Governments influence businesses based on their fiscal policies and monetary policies. We have an increase in price of commodities because of the increased taxation. From 1st of December, we received consignment from publishers with new prices, adjusted accordingly based on the new government policies. So comparatively, as much as we're in business and we will not want to get or engage into politics, but the government influences the business. The times now harder compared to the times then. We will definitely attribute that to the monetary and fiscal policies implemented by the new government.
My name is Philip Pumburu. We are here doing back to school. It has been a holiday period, but it's over now. We didn't have to extend because now we knew the back to school is waiting for us. So we are here purchasing books, uniform, etc. Burudani imeisha. Sasa ni back to school. The course is not that friendly, but all the same, it all depends on how you prepared or how merry your Christmas was. So we had to spare some coins to ensure that we preserve some budget for the books. It's not that friendly, but it's manageable. The issue of economy is across the board. I say that kila Mkenya anahisi ya kwamba uchumi haumwangalii vizuri na amesukumwa sana na responsibilities. But all the same, wanasema serikali katika hotuba ya kuvuka mwaka, the president ensured the Kenyans that the economy is doing well, that we should brave ourselves because it's not going to take long. Things will be stabilized soon. So we are very much hopeful that this year things will be better. I would say I don't have much expectation in terms of education because as far as the students that I'm looking at, or the students that I'm much concerned about their education, generally, let's say we need an improved education system. Yes. Previously, there have been complaints that the quality of education is no longer as sure as it was during the Matiang'i era and Magoha era. There are some doubt with some parents about the current education leadership altogether. But all the same, we hope it will improve in coming 2024.
Jina yangu naitwa Jenwa Maitha Jenga. Nimetoka kutafuta uniform ya mtoto. Akili iko bei kali sana. Bei iko juu. Nimenunua 11,000. Sasa kwa moja na pia ni kama 12,000 sasa ijamalizia, kuna zingine nimenunua bado. Sasa pen matrusa hivyo.
My name's Simon Karanja Muigai, a teacher by profession. But what makes me worry and wonder is about how these poor parents are being made to buy desks. In every grade 1 intake, a parent is told to come with a desk. And when you bring a desk, a little desk which is chargeable, you are told to take the desk back home and bring cash money. The cash money which are never received. And this matter is most rampant in Nakuru City.
Nice one.
And you find, taking a child in grade 1 in a school, unakuta mzazi anaambiwa 24,000 shillings. Mahesabu sijui inatoka wapi, kiti, sijui nini, inakuja 24,000 shillings. But all the same naambia waziri, I'm telling people, the minister, that things are not good here. Wazazi wanaibiwa pesa. Money is being extorted.